You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is k equals -1. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all k terms on the left side of the equation. Add 6k to both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 9 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the k. Divide both sides by -9. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. Simplify the fraction. And so the final result is k equals -1.